Hey there, this is Clay with modernlove.life, and this is Relationship Inner Game. Now, this is actually the 5th video in a series that we're putting together on how to connect with your ex on a deeper level. And this video is on the topic of how to make your ex want you back. And really, when you think about it, the only way that your ex is going to want to get back together with you is if the connection between the two of you feels great and feels amazing, right? Your ex is only going to want to get back into a relationship with you if they know that it's not the same relationship or the same dynamic or the same situation that caused them to leave the relationship in the first place. So the best way to show them that things are going to be different is, of course, to demonstrate that there is an actual, real, tangible, meaningful change. One of the best changes that you can make to show your ex that things are absolutely going to be different and to make them want you back is to really connect with them on a deeper emotional level, because our emotional connections that we have with our partners are really the glue that binds a relationship together. You know, it's not really any of these superficial things like text messaging or toys and gadgets that we have, or like a hot bod, although that doesn't hurt. But the thing that really makes a relationship work is the quality of the connection that the two of you have. So if you can simply just ignore all of this other stuff that is getting in the way, like, oh, they didn't like this post on Facebook suddenly, what does that mean? Oh, they unfollowed me on this social media platform, what does that mean? They, weren't at this party that our mutual friend was having, what does that mean? And if you can just set all of that stuff aside and just focus laser sharp on the quality of the emotional connection that the two of you are having, then that is all you really need to get back together with them and to make your ex want you back. Now, in the previous 4 videos, we've talked about some of the different things that you can do to lay the foundation and to start building up these layers of positive interactions that will make your ex want to come back to you. If you really put these together and really start practicing these and really start combining these, then you'll absolutely be able to have a much more positive impact on your ex. If you can continue to have that positive impact and sustainably have these great interactions with each other, then yes, your ex will eventually start to open up to you again. Yes, your ex will start to share what's going on emotionally with you again. And yes, your ex will eventually want to get back together with you again if they truly believe that the two of you are having this strong emotional connection, if they truly believe that the two of you are better off together than you are apart, and if they truly believe that something fundamentally is different for the better in the relationship and in the dynamic between the two of you. That is what is going to make your ex want you back. So once again, I hope you found this video series helpful. If you are watching this on YouTube, please head down below and click on the link that will take you over to our website, Relationship Inner Game, where you can sign up for a series of tips and strategies that will help you get back together with your ex by simply just filling out a short, painless, 30-second questionnaire about what is going on in your relationship and what the specifics are, okay? If you're watching this over on our website, modernlove.life, again, you can just go down below this video and there'll be a link there that will take you to another page where we'll show you how to put all of these different things together to really allow you to create these amazing connections between you and your ex. We teach these things called advanced relational skills that actually help you to have deeper, more meaningful interactions. Of course, we've just scratched the surface with this video series, but we actually spend, actually quite a bit of time delving into more of the nitty-gritty and specifics about what it takes to have a deep, meaningful connection with your ex, the kind where, maybe the two of you get together for coffee or something, and at the end of that coffee date, neither one of you really wants to say goodbye, and you have one of those long, drawn-out moments where the two of you are just kind of lingering and looking for some excuse to kind of keep things going, right? That is absolutely not unheard of, and that is absolutely something that can happen for you. But first, you need to go down below and click on that link. Anyway, this has been Clay with modernlove.life. This has been the Relationship Inner Game experience. And if you like this video, please go ahead, give us the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from us, go ahead and leave a comment down below. This has been Clay once again, and I'll see you next time. Please take care.